Hello, Sarah of SCK Handmade here, and today I'm going to share with you another tiny Tunisian tip. The loops that make up your forward pass are all connected to one another. So if you have a stitch that tends to pull on that loop when you create it, it will tend to yank the next stitch tight. Watch out for this so that you're not skipping over any stitches that may appear to have disappeared, but actually have just been pulled on by the previous stitch. You can open up that loop just by inserting your hook and raising it a little bit, but remember, for every pull you make on this stitch, you're yanking on the next one too. I hope you enjoyed that tiny Tunisian tip. It is always my goal to help you grow confidently in your craft. I would love it if you would check out the description for other related links, including the link to my tiny Tunisian tip playlist so you can check them all out. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. That way YouTube will notify you when I post more tips. Thank you so much for joining me today, and happy Tunisian crocheting!